Hi guys, welcome to our channel AHC Clay Collections. Today I'm going to show you how these earrings were made. So let's start. Materials we need are slicer blade, Sculpey Primo translucent, Cernit translucent glitter, Sculpey Primo white, clay glue or liquid clay, acrylic roller or pasta machine. Any metal leaf flakes like silver, copper or gold. Here I took gold leaf flakes. I am going to take small portions of each clay. There is no requirement of taking exact proportions. I want more white in my final jewelry, so I am using it more. Condition the clay first with hands, then use roller, and if still clay is a bit hard, use pasta machine. Always use the fresh clay, it will be easier to condition. Otherwise, we might need to condition it using clay softeners. Slice into smaller pieces. Separate them on surface so you can mix with other clays. Now translucent clay. Then glitter clay. I took small portion of it comparatively to other clays. I added clay glue in this to make all pieces bind together well. You can add liquid clay also. Then add gold flakes. Gather all pieces to form a block. Now slice it and arrange them to form a clay sheet. Run into pasta machine on your preferred thickness setting to make it into a uniform sheet. I used an acrylic block here to press the cutter into clay, which I find useful. Remove the excess clay with some needle tool, which you cannot peel off directly. Remove the excess clay like this, it will reduce the sanding work post baking. This step is optional, but I really like to add epoxy resin on this. I have to wait for at least a day to let resin cure. Then I will do sanding and assembling work. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. I love how classy and beautiful they look. Let me know what you think of them in comments.